Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how to print from Canva in 2025, and it will be a complete, quick and step-by-step video. So without any further ado, let's get started. So here you can see we are already in our Canva profile. So you already created and designed for you, and now you want to print it. So how you can do it, like let's click this one, just in case we have some design, that's why I chose this one. So when I will click to the share, then here you will get options for the download. So you just need to be click over here. Once you click over here, then here you can see eventually we have file type options. So we are allowed to select a couple of options here. Just scroll down and here you can see that we have JPG, PNG, PDF standard based for documenting. Then I think here we have like limited options. If I go here and try to download this one, let's see what happened, how many options do we get. So just click to the share, like procedure are the same. Just click over here and eventually here you can see the file type, like we have JPG, PNG, then PDF print. So if you want to making and graphics for printing, that this one is perfect, PDF printing. So just click over here. Here you can choose this one, crop mix feed, then flatter PDF. Flatter PDF converts content you design into a single image per image. It may increase file size, so you can check this out. Include notes, you can include notes over here. You can choose like best for digital use, or you can choose this one best for professional printing. So if you want to select this one, you need to be upgrade your plan from free to premium. So it is not available in free plan. Just click to the download. Once you click over here to the download, then it will take a while to complete this process, and then it automatically it will be downloaded. And once it complete, you are allowed to access this one. Here you can see we are allowed to access it, and if you want to print it, you are now able to print it here. So just click over here, and now eventually you can see you are allowed to print it here. You just need to be click over here, print, and it will be done. It will be print for you. So this is really easy. I hope you can do it right now. If you have any question towards this video, ask me on the comment box. I will give you all the answer as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.